This is the new Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. This is compatible with the new MacBook Pros 2021. This is going to allow you to use a full-size keyboard instead of the keyboard on your MacBook Pro. We're going to unbox it now and take a look at how they send this and what it looks like and feels like, and how the buttons are, the keys are rather, and how everything feels. So it did have plastic on it. For purposes of glare, we've removed that. A little bit different style than the normal Apple. Basically just slide the cover off. Do this without slamming it on the thing here. Looks like it's got a covering on it. Of course, Apple's famous tabs here. We pull that up. And I am, first off, really surprised with how thin this is. This is quite impressive. Let's take a look here. It's got the Apple logo etched in the back here. It's got little feet. There you have it. Look at this thing. That is impressive. That is a very, it's like a mental, it almost looks like it's curved to me here. So like with these smart devices, basically what you do is you take the supplied cable here and you plug it into one of the Thunderbolt 4 ports, aka USB-C, and that pairs the Bluetooth device with the actual iPad Pro. So we're going to plug this in here, like so. And then we're going to grab the other end of the cord here. And right here on the back of this is the plug, which is interesting. It's lightning. So we plug that in like so. And the great thing about this is it also has the Touch ID, as does the MacBook Pro. So definitely blown away by the overall shape and size of this thing. Of course, it does kind of look curved in person, but that's probably an optical illusion. But in any event, it's very low profile. Keys are nice. It's got your full numeric pad over here. And it is considerably larger. If I hold this up, you can't really see it on screen, but right here, this is the width of the keyboard, the full keyboard on the MacBook Pro. And of course, they've stretched it out. Got your additional function keys up here and that full number pad over here, as well as your arrow keys that have been moved out to make room for the rest of the keys here. So this is the Magic Keyboard. Again, this is the new Magic Keyboard compatible with the MacBook Pro. It is Bluetooth, so once you get it paired, you can have this, add it with the Magic Mouse here, and you can simply bring your iPad or your MacBook Pro in and flip these guys on, and you're good to go in terms of having a full keyboard to go with your laptop.